Hi viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Today I want to introduce you a very famous place of Shahbaz Garhi of district Mardan, which is known as Ashoka Rocks. Ashoka Rocks are basically two in number. One is a small Ashoka rock and other one is a big Ashoka rock. Ashoka rock edicts are basically one of the famous edicts who was basically a Mauryan emperor, and his period was basically from around about 274 to 231 BC. So now you people see the small Ashoka rock, and on this Ashoka rock you people see the Kharosh tree script, which is basically the Ashoka rock edicts, because Ashoka, when he says something and he orders something, then their sayings are basically written on these rocks in different places. You people see this kind of Kharosh tree script in different places of the subcontinent. So this is basically one of the famous place of subcontinent, which is basically now the region located in the Pakistan, known as the Shahbaz Garhi of district Mardan. So this is the small rock, and this is basically known as the Ashoka rock. This place, which is known as Shahbaz Garhi, is basically not only famous for this, but it is a very famous place historically for some other reason as well. Now let's discuss that, and let's also after let's discuss the other one rock, and now let's comes towards the other one rock, which is known as the Ashoka big rock. So let's now see the other one rock, which is known as the Ashoka big rock. Now, as I say earlier, that there are basically two rocks, the small Ashoka rock and the big Ashoka rock. Now you people see the big Ashoka rock, and this big Ashoka rock, you people see that this is also basically Ashoka rock edicts, because you people see the Harosh tree script on this rock as well. The writing on this are basically almost similar to the writing on the small rock, and these are basically the saying, or you can say that basically these are the orders of the Ashoka uh, emperor, who was basically a famous Mauryan emperor, and his period was around about from 274 to 231 BC. So these are basically the remains of the Buddhist. You people already know very well that Buddhism was very famous religion and fast round about 2000 to 2500 years ago in this subcontinent region. And similar to this, you people will also see some of other remains related to the Buddhism community, and that are basically located in Texla, Swabi Aziz Dere, similarly in district Buner, in Ranigat. You people see that Ranigat is also famous for the Buddhism, because there are so many remains related to the Buddhism community. Similarly, the Takhbai remains are very famous for the Buddhist remains. And similarly, there are so many other remains at so many other different places, like in Sawat and some of the region in the Kabul. So these are basically some of very famous sites. Thanks for your time.